Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively lecture. Start by previewing lecture slides and notes before class to set a clear focus. During class, listen for emphasis and jot down examples tied to main ideas. Afterward, synthesize notes into concise summaries and highlight connections between concepts. Use short review sessions the same day to reinforce memory and plan a follow-up study slot to deepen understanding. Engage actively by asking questions and mentally organizing the lecture into segments you can summarize. Pause and paraphrase complex explanations aloud or in writing to convert passive notes into durable understanding. Create quick examples or analogies that connect new ideas to things you already know so recall becomes easier. Treat listening as a skill you train with deliberate focus, short breaks, and continuous check-ins on your comprehension. Use a reliable note-taking system like Cornell or a clear outline to capture structure and detail. Mark definitions, formulas, and examples so they stand out during review and make later study faster. Within a day, condense your notes into a concise summary and add any missing clarifications from textbooks or recordings. Regularly convert notes into active tasks like flashcards or practice problems to maintain long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.